These videos will take you through some common road rules that you need to know. Giving way at intersections. It is important to know what to do at an intersection. If you see a stop sign or are faced with a stop line, you must come to a complete stop at the intersection. After stopping, you must give way to any vehicle in, entering, or approaching the intersection. If you see a give way sign or give way line, you must give way to any vehicle in, entering, or approaching the intersection. There are some exceptions to these give way rules. Here are two to remember. 1. You don't have to give way if there is an oncoming vehicle turning right. The vehicle turning right must give way to you. 2. You don't have to give way if there is a vehicle making a U-turn. The vehicle making the U-turn must give way to you. Finally, at T-intersections, you must give way to vehicles travelling along the continuing road.